In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Among Us on Bluestacks. We'll walk through the exact process on Bluestacks 5 so you can go from launch to playing without any confusion. I'll explain what to click, what to expect on screen, and a few helpful tips along the way to make things smooth. First, open Bluestacks 5 on your PC. Give it a moment to fully load. You'll know it's ready when the home screen icons finish populating and the interface feels responsive. A stable internet connection helps here, and closing any heavy background apps can speed up loading if things feel slow. From the BlueStacks home screen, open the Google Play Store. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the store's main page. If you're not signed in yet, BlueStacks will prompt you to log in with your Google account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete sign-in, and when you're done, you'll be returned to the Play Store. This step is necessary to download apps and keep them updated. Now, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Click into it, type Among Us, and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official game listing titled Among Us by Innersloth. Confirming the developer name ensures you're installing the correct game. Click the Among Us listing to open its detail page, then hit the Install button. The download will begin immediately. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and install status. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and available system resources. It's normal if the Play Store briefly checks the app as part of Play Protect. Once the installation completes, the button will change to Open, and BlueStacks will also create a shortcut for the game. To launch the game anytime, go back to the BlueStacks home screen and open the My Games tab. You'll find the Among Us icon there. Click it to start playing. On first launch, the game may display a brief setup or permissions prompt. Just review and continue so you can get to the main menu. BlueStacks automatically maps basic controls for you so you can jump right into a session without extra configuration. And that's all there is to it. Open BlueStacks 5, head to the Google Play Store, sign in if needed, search for Among Us, install the official Innersloth version, then launch it from My Games and start having fun. If everything is loaded and your connection is solid, you'll be in a lobby in just a couple of minutes. Enjoy your game and have a great time playing.